friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And today's video we are going to review another brand of oil which is available in the Indian market, which is Saffola Active. So Saffola Active is a product of Saffola, and today we are going to review the Saffola Active 15 liter jar. So let's start off with the review of the product. So guys, this is the Saffola Active blended edible vegetable oil that is here from Saffola, the Saffola Active oil. It is known as a pro Weight Watchers oil. This is like a special oil for those who are on diet and stuff, and which is known to be good for the heart because it contains the low absorb formula, which is a LOSORB for less oil absorption. So this oil is absorbed less by the food, and this oil is known to be high in omega-3 and contains oryzanol as well. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. It comes first of all packaged in this is the outer box. It comes in this outer cardboard box. It has right here is the Saffola branding. Saffola Active is written right here. The name of the product is Active. It is a pro Weight Watcher oil. It contains a LOSORB, which is a low oil absorption formula for less oil absorption. It contains it's high in omega-3 and contains oryzanol. So right here it's written that it's a blended edible vegetable oil which contains refined rice bran oil, which is 80%, and then the refined soyabean oil, which is 20%. So it's a mix of soyabean oil and rice bran oil. Right, so this is a blended edible vegetable oil. It's a mix of rice bran oil, like we know, it is very high in oryzanol, and then there is soyabean oil as well, 20% soyabean oil as well by weight. Also, the best part of this 15 liter jar compared to any other company is that it comes with an easy pour tap, so you can easily remove the oil as much as you require. So this is what is here in the face of the product right here. If we turn it on this side, nothing is here. It says stacking up, and the product from Marico is a parent company, so Marico branding is right here. What we have here is showing that this way up. So this is for the packaging side. For storage people, like they can stack up to 5 containers together. On the other side, again here we have the same thing that we saw. Moving on to this side. So here again we see Marico tape is there. Here Saffola Active is written right here. Here is the nutritional information. So every 100 grams of this oil contains 900 kcals of energy. The 0 protein, 0 carbohydrate, 0 sugars. Total fat is 100 grams. Every 100 gram is total 100 grams is fat, of which 22.2 grams are saturated fatty acid, whereas monosaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids are 40 grams and 37 grams approx. Now these are good fats, right? So there is a lot of good fat in it. There's alpha linolenic acid, which is 1000 mg added. The vitamin A added to it, which is 750 mcg. Added vitamin D is 9.25 mcg. Trans fat is less than 2 grams per 100 grams. Oryzanol in this is 850 milligrams. Cholesterol is 0, so there's 0 cholesterol in soil as well. Saffola Active. Saffola encourages you to take efforts to manage your weight and take care of your own heart health. Saffola recommends you to use less oil and the right oil. So Saffola Active is a blended oil which is known to be high in omega-3, contains oryzanol and fortified with vitamins A and B11. The Saffola comes with LOSORB technology for less oil absorption, so the oil absorption by your food will be much lesser. Encourages you and your family to take care of your heart by using less oil and low saturated fat diet. Saffola strongly recommends regular exercise and a balanced lifestyle based on trying study conducted on potatoes in 2018. Okay, now it has been marketed by Marico Limited, which is the parent company. Now coming to the MRP of this oil, so 15 liters, the MRP is 3025. So for 15 liters of Saffola Active, the MRP of the oil is 3025 rupees. The net quantity is mentioned here, which is 15 liters, and at weight if you look at it, it's 13.65 kg at 30 degrees Celsius. Right, best before 9 months from packaging, so the shelf life is 9 months here. Or the Saffola Active oil. So now let's quickly unbox the oil, remove the outer box, and check out the container inside. So let's go. Let's tear this tape up. The tape right here, which we need to tear. And right inside, when you open the box, what we can see here is the container inside, the oil container, can inside it. This is a 15 liters can that we have, and here it is. So guys, this is a Saffola Active 15 liter can that we have with the easy flow tap right here. So you can see that the tap is also completely sealed with the plastic cover right here. And right here we can see the Saffola Active branding again here. Pro Weight Watchers oil, it says. It's a Pro Weight Watcher oil. What we saw on the outer box. Low absorb formula for less oil absorption. Blended edible vegetable oil, refined rice bran oil is 80% of the blend. 20% is refined soyabean oil. Right, it's a pure vegetarian symbol. All vegetarian oils used. If you can see again, here's the seal. So do not accept if the seal is broken. That means it's a brand new thing, brand new coin. So can. So this is seal. So let's quickly remove the seal. So whenever you're buying it, make sure that the seal is there, so that you'll know that the oil is not tampered with. So here we have to open the seal right now. So let's quickly remove that. So here we go. There's seal on it, which has to be broken. So here we have broken the seal. And inside here now you can see that there's another cover right here, which is that, which I think can be cut open, but there's no way to remove it manually. There's no way to open it right now. You need to cut it open. You can cut it open if needed, right? Otherwise we have the easy pour tap right here. Right here and below we have the easy pour tap, which can be opened. So it is currently sealed. We need to open it. So before we open that, I'll just close this lid again for now. So what I like about this packaging is it comes with this amazing easy flow tap right here, so that you don't need to pour. You can easily pour out as much oil as you want. You get this handle here to pick up the can, which makes it very convenient. What do we have on the other side? Let's look at the other side of the can as well. So what do we have here? So what we have here is Saffola Active, the same thing that we read before. Same pointers given here. MRP of the product is given here, 3025. Packaging date is mentioned here. Lot number is mentioned here. Net quantity is 15 liters. The weight is mentioned here. Right. Shelf life is 9 months from packaging. The nutritional values are given right here. So all of that has been mentioned on the can as well, right? So yeah, so wonderful oil here, very well packaged in this can. And the best part of this packaging I found is the easy flow tap, which is there right here. So the easy flow tap, which is there here. The other most interesting part of the whole packaging I found. So we just need to cut this open like this, and here it goes. Currently it's closed, so if you want you can open it and the oil can flow out. So this is a closure that they have here. So this is the closing point that they have there, and so if you want you can then open it. That's the tap, the easy flow tap. You can open it as much as you want, and then you can pour the oil out. The as much oil as you want. You can pour it out from this easy pour tap right here. That's an amazing feature here, the best feature I found in this whole packaging here. Very few companies provide an easy flow tap. So it's a very nice thing from Saffola Active. I really liked it. It's really a task pouring out oil from a 15 liter can when it's brand new, bought brand new. So you need to carry like around close to 14 kgs of weight to pour out some oil that you would require. But here this easy flow tap makes work really easy. So guys, this was my review about the Saffola Active Pro Weight Watchers oil. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And if you guys are looking to buy the Saffola Active Pro Weight Watchers oil, then you can buy it on Amazon. I left a link in the description below.